Bird of the Week.
The bird of the week this week is the northern mockingbird. Northern mockingbirds are medium-sized songbirds with long tails. They're gray above and white below with 2 white wing bars. They eat mostly insects in summer and fruit in winter. They live year-round in areas with open ground and shrubby vegetation. They are extremely territorial. Northern mockingbird is the state bird of Arkansas, Florida, Mississippi, Tennessee, and Texas. They're known for mimicking other birds' songs. They sing a series of short phrases, repeating each one 2 to 6 times before moving on to the next. They learn new sounds throughout their lives, and an adult male can know around 200 different sounds. And it's not just other birds. They mimic noises like creaky gates, car alarms, and at least 12 different kinds of frogs and toads. Tune in next week for another